What's up, people? Good morning, good morning. I'm back with another video today. We're right here at the spot, fixing it up. Got everybody working right now. A lot of work in progress right now. Taking a journey today. I gotta find me a wheel for my truck. This wheel that I have right here is cracked. It's missing a big old chunk right here. Yeah, I've been looking for this tire, for this wheel, man. No one really has it. I just got a hit on a guy in a junkyard in TJ that got the wheel. They want 25 bucks for it. So I gotta go from Rosarito all the way to TJ and go grab this wheel. But right now, we're waiting to get some water all up in the tanks right here. Get a little water. Waiting for the pump to get some water. Got a little baby, look, little puppy. Look at him. Got a little puppy right here. What's up, baby? He just came out right here. He was just chilling. So I think he's a Chihuahua. I don't know whose it is, but he's right here hanging out with us today. Huh, Papa? Little baby. Little baby. You little baby. Anyways, we're about to fill his tanks up with some water. This one and this one. Got the pump guy over there. I'm gonna take off, but I gotta leave the workers here with some water and stuff so they keep doing the labor on it. And of course, we got the nice video of the ocean right there. Yeah, I come out here every day and I feel grateful for everything I'm doing. Grateful for my life, my freedom. I'm out of jail. I've been out for almost 9 years already. Free from jail, free from California, which California itself is a big prison. But anyways, right here just trying to make it happen. Got the new little 2001 Nissan Frontier little truck that I got. I had an accident in the front left side. That's why I got it cheap, but it's cool. It pulls to the left a little bit. We'll figure it out though. We'll get it fixed. But right now we're waiting for the water to come through. And as you can see, the loss is all flat now. Right here, ready to build 2 spots. 1 spot like right there, and then 1 spot right there. 2 apartments, 2 stories. 1 more apartment right here, 2 stories, and a little driveway over there. Yep, that's the plans, guys. If I can build 6 apartments here, and I can rent them at like 400 bucks each, that's some good income for me, for the future, because I don't have a retirement. I don't have retirement, I don't have none of that stuff, so I'm already 50. So I gotta make something happen for myself. But with this apartments, I'll be able to have money coming in every month till I'm old, and I pass away, go back to heaven. But first apartment's gonna be built right here. Just simple, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, small kitchen, living room, and I wanna move in it. That's my goal for now, guys. Try to move in here and live here, rent free, and actually paying for my spot. So those are the plans, guys. Those are the plans. Chole. A ver, deja el número también. No. Para que así cuando ocupe ya. Ahí está cerrado acá abajo. Esta madre va a estar atorado. Go. All right, I think that's closed. Yep, that's closed. Sí, ya está cerrado. Make sure it's closed. Let it rip. We got water filling up. Yep, fill it up, pay the man, and we're gonna go out to TJ and check out this wheel. Then after that, we're gonna go to a spot where they can actually put the wheel on, make sure it's all good on the little truck. Then we probably gotta come back over here, pick up the workers. Just another day in paradise, guys. Okay, muchas gracias. Okay, vamos, okay, bye. Yep, so $350 for both of those things, full of water. They charged me 350 pesos. I think it's like around about 17, 18 bucks, you know, but that's a lot of water. That should last about a month or two working. Hopefully something like that. Depends how much we use. And now we off to go see the wheel at the junkyard. We'll see you guys. Go to the military checkpoint from Puerto Nuevo to Popotla towards Rosarito. We're gonna go to the military checkpoint right here. Every day, that's what I gotta do to get back into town. Military checkpoint, and we're good. Yeah, we got about 20 miles from where I'm at, but it's to the back part of TJ. It's called Corredor 2000. It's a 2000 road, that's what it's called, and it's just, you know, it's all green. Kind of sprinkling a little bit. You know, don't think I'm gonna have a lot of rain today. Hopefully not, because we won't be able to work, but it don't look like it. I think we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. This is the same road that you take to Mexicali, right here, or the back part of TJ. TJ's gotten so big, man. TJ's growing so big. They're making new big buildings every single day for like businesses and stuff like that. I'm talking about like skyscrapers. You know, nothing in New York, no 100 stories and stuff, but they're doing like 20-story buildings and stuff, a lot of them, which is gonna make the city real big. TJ has grown so big. It has, I think, over 100 colonias now, so it's pretty widespread. But we still have nice land out here. You can rent, buy, build your own house, stuff, as you can see. It's really nice. Yep. Yeah, man. We're here at the spot in Tijuana, over here by Villa Fontana. But you know, like always, I get out the car, go to the store, and I forgot my mouthpiece. So gotta get it on, gotta get the mouthpiece back on. Yep. A car. All right. Buenas. Vine por el ring.
Ah, ¿qué hay, mi patrón? ¿Paleta?
Sí.
Lo ocupa sin la...
Sin la llanta, sí. It's like a house. That's a trip. This is a junkyard in a mansion. It's a big old nice house, 2-story, huge, and it's a junkyard. That's the first I've seen it like that. Here we go, here we go.
Vamos a desmontar.
Sí.
Voy a llevar a la llantera. ¿Dónde está?
Sí, ¿a cuál llantera va a llevarlo?
Acá abajo.
Pues también para ir de una vez para que me monten el rin en mi llanta y a mi carro.
Sí, bueno.
Pues de una vez, ¿no?
Ah, bueno.
¿Vamos o qué?
Sí.
¿Te lo pago de una vez?
Sí.
Ok. Te lo pago y lo sigo y allá que me pongo la llanta también para irme así porque pinche rey no quiero que se me vaya a agujerar. Ando haciendo un video para mi YouTube, mi canal.
Ah, órale.
Aquí con el compa. ¿Cómo se llama el yonke aquí?
Yonke Los Primos Honda Garage.
Alright. Los primos, estaba diciendo que nunca he mirado un yonke en una mansión.
Ah, órale, pues hacer esto.
No, está perrón, la casota bien suave y luego hay que vender pases de carros. Está curada, ¿verdad? Era como una mansión aquí para todos los carros,
de hecho,
¿verdad?
sí, era una como tipo hacienda más o menos.
Una hacienda, ajá, está suave, está curada.
Calle, pues.
Sí, está fregona.
Sí.
Ahí estamos pues para otro.
Pues,
ya te voy a dar para que cualquier mira el video en el canal.
A ver.
Ahí para que lo estés mirando.
Para darle like.
Sí. No, y mucha gente te va a conocer. Vienen para acá porque... Canijo. ¿Cómo te va viendo en el carro a tu compa?
Ah,
en el carro.
Ya está, patrón. Muchas
Okay, gracias. All right, we're going to go to the tire spot and get the rim on. ¿Cómo está tu carro? Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're going to go to the tire store and get the rim put on. That's the trip, man. They got a junkyard in a mansion. That was a nice big mansion. Hacienda type spot, you know. And they have a junkyard there. Hey, it's crazy, man. Anything's possible in Mexico. We're gonna go follow him real quick. We're at the tire store now. We're about to remove the tire. And then change the wheel. Got a big old chunk right there. Got the tire store here, Villa Fontana. It's a small tire store. This spot right here. Yep. Now that it's already ready to roll. Yeah, so I just fixed my wheel. It cost me about $25 for the wheel, and then the tire shop charged me about $2.50 to mount the wheel on the tire, and put it on. So with gas money and everything, I think I spent about 35 bucks overall to replace my wheel, the original stock wheel on my Nissan. Not bad at all. There's a lot of things out here in Mexico that is cheap. You can do a lot more with your money. And let's go back to the spot right now and see what they're up to. Let's get it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. hit
Jesus
the subscribe
Christ.
button, share my video if you can,
My Savior.
and also hit the like button. Anyone has any questions about anything, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.